What's good to YouTube? It's your fuck.
You're laughing. I'm just standing here.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Steph at Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. As you see, look who we have back with us today.
Me.
Me.
Ashley, hi.
It is Ashley, guys, and of course, man, she is going to help us out with this video today. Now, today is a very, very bright and hot ass day, right?
Yes.
It is super hot out here, guys. I think it's like 97, almost hitting like 100 degrees, so it's fucking hot out here today. So with that being said, it is bright sun, no clouds, very rarely. So we're going to use the good old-fashioned AD600 because I need a lot of power because we're out here in the bright sun. And then we're going to try to use this shade. As you can see, this building right behind us gives us a whole Western vibe, as well as Ashley's outfit with the boots. So this is all Western vibe, man. We got this whole abandoned wooden place that really just screams out Western, you know what I'm saying, from the back in the days, Cowboys days. So we're really gonna take advantage of this, guys. I'm gonna probably shoot with the 35 and I'm gonna start off with the 50. And we're just gonna get some shots here and there, man. Just kind of take advantage of the place and the outfit as well. Ashley, you wanna say anything else to the peeps?
No, it's hot. We should start.
And of course, people work with all stuff. Yeah, I think we'll do that. But anyway, guys, let's go ahead and get to work.
Yes.
Ready to get to work? Let's get to work.
Let's get to work.
Let's get the fucking work. That was hot.
I know, I'm sweating already.
I gotta do a test. Oh, I don't have a trigger.
Unprepared. That's rude. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, good enough test shot. What's going on here? One more test shot, and we should be good to go here. The fuck are you doing, man?
Ever since I put this outfit on, I've had that song, that Boots on the Ground song stuck in my head.
Uh-huh.
Ridiculous.
All right, yeah, let's keep you right there in the middle. Now go ahead. Look at this. Yep, there we go. Yeah, love that, Ash, yeah. Bring up that pants leg with the what leg? Yeah, bring it up a little bit more. I like the pose, just bring it up, yeah. Anytime, whatever you need, just bring it up a little bit more so we can see more of your boots and stuff, yeah. And look off that way, that's like yours, yeah. Yeah.
Cute. Like kick off this door? Would that look weird?
No, it won't look weird. I just gotta, get my shit together. There. Hey, look at this. Oh yeah. Hold it again. Let me look at this. Woo! Yep. I'll hold that right there, yeah. Let's have you looking over the edge here, just like so. Might have to switch to a 35 though. I do like that better, but I'm gonna go here. I'm just gonna raise up the power there. All right. Oh, that truck is messing up. That's a good pose too. Oh yeah, that's a perfect pose. Wait for that truck to move. That was a perfect pose. Oh, that I gotta get the full outfit in. Hold that pose. Look straight. Yeah. Let me look at this. Yeah, hold that right there. I'm gonna get closer on this one. Yeah, look right at me.
Oh, my mom is gonna love them.
I'm gonna go opposite sides now. Yeah, hold that. I think I'm gonna switch to my 35. Give me a second, cause I wanna get this out. I'm gonna get low, hang on. Getting low with that jump off. Hold that, I'm gonna get over here. Change my angle just a tad bit. I gotta creep. Yeah, bring that back up for me. Hey, look. Crouching into crouch. I'm going to get my 35 because I don't got enough room over here. Yeah, just like that. Woo! Look at me. Look back out that way again.
I love
playing.
that picture.
Woo! Ash, you can't be giving too much out here.
This is only the first half the shoot.
Yeah, but you giving too much. Is what I'm keep trying to tell you this.
Okay, I'll be worse.
All right, here we go. Go ahead and do that same pose again. Bring that arm in. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Keep it just like that. Yeah, right there it is, right there, Ash. Boy. I'm talking about you and I got something. We got lightning in the bottle, like Yoo-hoo.
Like the milk?
Yeah. Yeah. All right, bring that arm in a little bit. The one that's towards me more. Just have it dangling like that. Yeah. That's perfect. Have it dangling like that. Ash. This is really kind of focus on everything else. Stay right there. I'm gonna get up here. I still want you to act like I'm shooting you here though. Okay. Get the. Yeah, let me look at this again. Yeah.
And then what, I sit on this next?
Yeah, we get you sitting on that. All right, guys, here we are now. We're shooting with. Got a bug on my neck. All right, here we are, guys. We're now shooting with the AD600 SE Pro, and we have Ash here shooting with the 50mm lens, and we also shooting with the Z8. See what we're about to get right here. Yep. Perfect, Ash. Yep. Yeah, hold that right there. Going vertical now. Yeah. Come in. Bring the arm in. Left. Yeah. Look at me. Oh yeah. Let's see what we got here. Boy, heat. right, here we go. Yeah, I like that a lot. All right, drop that leg for me now. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, just that drop. Yeah. Yeah, I like that lean towards me. That was actually really perfect. It leaned towards me. I'm gonna get up here. Yeah, hold that right there. All right.
Cute. Ready? Gotta dance.
I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Let me look at this. Yep. Hold that. I'm gonna get it in here. Ready? We'll love that. Hang on, look at this. Yeah, look just that way. Look off that way. Put your hands. Bring that leg up a tad bit for me though. Bring that skirt up on that. Yeah, so I can just tab it, yeah. Put the right arm on your leg, bend it in a little bit, bring it up right there. Face all the way that way. Just hold that. Yeah. And then I want you to look to the right. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. Yeah, just like that, Ash.